Born at the intersection of design, technology, and hospitality, Genesis is dedicated to crafting an extraordinary owner experience. After purchasing your new Genesis electric vehicle, or EV, you deserve a complete vehicle charging system that complements the way you live. For our customers, Genesis offers Genesis Home, a seamless way to equip your home with a professionally installed Level 2 EV charger, solar panels, and an energy storage system. All of this is available on Genesis Home Marketplace. Here you can learn about the benefits of home electrification, as well as speak with a dedicated energy advisor from our partner Electrum, who will be appointed to you and can answer any questions you may have. First, visit GenesisHomeMarketplace.com and type in your home address. This step is to understand where you're located and to check for available rebates or incentives in your area. Next, you can learn more about rooftop solar panels, energy storage systems, and the highly configurable ChargePoint HomeFlex Level 2 EV charger, which allows you to set the charging speed and amperage that's right for your needs. Note, if your home is already equipped with some of these components and you would like to add more, please check with your energy advisor to schedule an initial home inspection to confirm compatibility. Receiving installation quotes is free, so make sure to answer all the questions in the home survey to the best of your knowledge. This will help installers develop a more accurate estimate based on your needs. If you aren't sure how to answer a question, you can simply check "Not sure" or ask your energy advisor. You will also be asked to upload various images, such as the desired installation locations and your home's electric panel. This helps reduce the guesswork for the installer so that they can refine their estimate for your project based on the intended installation location and the home fuse panel. When purchasing a ChargePoint HomeFlex Level 2 EV charger, a fully refundable $250 deposit is required in order to finalize the project quote. Once you elect to move forward with your installation, you will be asked to pay for the remainder of the charger cost and will then be matched with a local certified installer who will reach out to schedule a site visit. Upon completion of the installation, you will then return to the Genesis Home Marketplace to remit payment for the installation service. Genesis Home will also identify and estimate for you energy savings rebates, such as the federal tax credit and incentives from local utility companies. After the contract is finalized and payment is made, you can sit back and relax as we will take care of the rest. The delivery of the components will be directed towards the installer, and they will handle everything from here on forward. If you have any questions or concerns, contact your appointed energy advisor who will be there to deliver you a class-leading customer service experience. For more information on Genesis Home, consult GenesisHomeMarketplace.com or inquire with your local Genesis EV certified retailer.